Hey Emmett, what do you got there, buddy? Hey, how's it going, Bricksters and Lego friends? I think Emmett got himself a Lego Classic box of 900 pieces. Well, actually, I was at Walmart today and Black Friday sales are on. And here's what I got. A box of 900 pieces. Plus a box of 900 pieces. Plus a box of 900 pieces. Plus another box of 900 pieces. Plus, and yes, another box of 900 pieces. So 5 boxes of 900 pieces. That's 4,500 elements. Or bricks, whatever you want to call it. But I gotta say it's elements because there's windows and doors and little levers and antennas and all that kind of stuff in there as well. But I think it was a wicked deal for the price that I paid for these. Now, let me tell you, Walmart's kind of funny. So, these were $24.89. Yeah, not 99. So, well, I mean, you know, some places $24.99. They have it for $24.89. Anyway, they had a sign that says regular $49.99. Now that I can't quite figure out because they generally never carry them. There's been the odd store that has had a box left over from Christmas or Black Friday sales, and they put them on their shelves, yes, at $49.99. But I mean, Lego gives them a deal to sell these things at $24. So they should be $24 all year round because they are a promotional product for Black Friday. I don't know if I so much agree with that. I think that it should be $24.89 all year round if they're going to sell them on Black Friday as that, or if they don't sell them all on Black Friday, then they should just keep them at that price until they're sold out. Because I mean, like I said, Lego has probably given them a deal. For Walmart to say that these are $49.99 regular is kind of funny because they don't regularly carry these things. They don't regularly carry this as part of their stock. I don't know, because it is a Christmas box. As you can see, it's got the bow on the top. So these only come out for Black Friday and Christmas. So $24.89 at Walmart here in Canada. And that is it. That's the haul I've got today. 5 boxes of them, 4,500 parts. There's 4,500 elements. And there's going to be lots of building going on. Anyway, it's a great deal if you can get it, because I think the $49.99 price tag, well, is wrong for this set. However, it's about what it would be if it was sold. Okay, so to get it at $24 is a pretty good price. I saw another box there that was like a box very similar to it, but it had the like studs on the top with the plastic top on it. It only had 300 pieces in it, and it was $35.95. So this is definitely a good deal. If you can find one, you pick them up. They're the same as last year's. So 2017's and 2018's Black Friday at Walmart. The Lego Classic, set number 10704, 900 pieces. Great assortment, and you know, here's a rundown of the parts in the box. I'll kind of just go down here so you get an idea of what is in here. There's a good assortment of parts and colors because you just never know what you might want to build. Now there's some good stuff in there I can see that I can use right away, and especially the green elements and the blue elements. Because I'm very short on those and I can definitely use them. So, you know, that's just fantastic. And black and gray too, because you've been using a lot of these in my Harry Potter builds. So, these colors. So, just fantastic. Lots of pieces. Can't wait to use them. Anyway, that's it. That's my Black Friday haul.
That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I'll talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.